Hello friends, welcome to session 4 for a MuleSoft. In session 4 MuleSoft, just we can today we can create means like we can design an API using a Anypoint platform. We will design an API. Coming to the slides means like there is only a 3 slides. Just I will explain with the practical session how to design an API. By this end of the video, you guys are able to create an API your own in your Anypoint platform. Okay, yeah, we can start with the session. Coming to this session 4, from this session I will explain the designing parts and part. Now we can start with the phases of MuleSoft. Coming to phases of MuleSoft, first we will go with the design phase. What is the design phase? Design phase means like just you will create an API, that will be a API documentation. After that you will go and you will go for the means like once that specification is ready in the Anypoint platform, we will start with the development in Anypoint Studio. After the development is completed, the API will be ready. You guys will deploy that API and manage that API in the Anypoint platform also. Means like if it is a on-premises, means like if it is a client side, any other deployment hubs are there, you will deploy in that. Okay. This is the phases of the MuleSoft. Coming to this thing, I have downloaded one chart, means like there will be a different stages of phases. Yeah, here it is. Okay, coming to this slide, you will get a complete clear idea about what you are doing in the once the requirement coming from the organization. Once you are getting to organization, there will be a design analyst are there. What they will do, they will design the API. After once they will design, they will simulation, they will send that to clients. They will go to send that to clients. Once what will happen here in the feedback, like they are waiting for a feedback with the clients. After that the feedback will complete and they will say like I need some modifications in design phase, clients. Okay, on that time only what will happen, the feedback, according to the feedback, they will create a they will redesign the API and they can validate that API. Once everything is okay, the API specification will ready. Once the API specification is ready, after that they will go with the implementation. Implementation means like a development phase. Okay, in the development phase there will be two things. One is development and testing phase. Okay, here we can call it as a build of an your API, and then after that it will go for the testing. Okay, once the build development and testing is completed, that API will be ready with the business logic. Means like it's a dynamic API. Service with API will come here. Means like after the API came, they will do some implement. Means like they will do some management there. What are those managements? One is security, and then after that means like API is ready, they will give us some basic authentication, auth flows, those all things. And after that they will deploy that API into the cloud hub or a uh, uh, client's environment, like on premises or that. Then after the deployment is completed, okay, our work is done. What we are doing, we are monitoring that API, means like a traffic, how it is going. If any issues are came on that time, means like they will request to the management team like API admins. They will troubleshoot the API whatever is happened. After that, like the managing things are going in the third phase.
Yeah, friends, we understood the phases of the means like different phases of the MuleSoft. Now today the main important part, we can start with our design of an API. Today if you understand, means like if you see in this session and if you do the practicals, you will be able to design your API, not to develop. You will design your API and you need to test in the Anypoint platform only. Yeah, we will go ahead with the design of an API in Anypoint platform. Before going to resource path HTML methods, first we will know how to create a Anypoint platform sign up. Okay, yeah, first we will go with the Anypoint platform sign up. Actually I have created already, but I will show means like how to sign up with another email, means like mail ID. Here for a sign up things, you will need to give a full name. What is your full name you need to give, and then after that email address, and then phone number and company. You can add any company. Okay, and after that here you have to give your usernames and like a username that will be understood, now I have given as a smart developers. Okay, now it's not available, I think, because I have used already. uh, just we can check. Okay, okay, no, sorry. Yeah, smart developers. Yeah, actually I have already created, but just you guys can sign up here only. Just you need to enter and click on the accept and create. You need to click on this icon, and then after that you need to come here and log in with your username and a password. Okay, yeah, I will not show my password. Now I am logging into Anypoint platform. Actually means like in the session of the overview of Anypoint platform and Anypoint studio, I have told you guys means like how the we will do the design in Anypoint platform, and we will do development in Anypoint studio. But now we can see means like how what is the overview of our Anypoint studio, sorry, Anypoint platform. Coming to this, there will be a design center. What is this design center? In design center you guys are means like whatever your design analysts are there, they will create, and if anything means like they will build, test and reuse. If anything means like existing APIs are there, we will do those all things. And data graph you will get means like data of the your API whatever you created, means like how many consume, those things will you will get. And then after that you will get the management center and exchange. You can exchange with your clients, and they can use those things. And reusable APIs also there, means like there will be like a developer portal is there. You guys means like you guys will take that APIs, means like if any public APIs are there, you can reuse those APIs, connectors and templates of APIs, documentation, everything will be there. Exchange means like once that IT analyst is do, he will give means like he will push his code to exchange. It's like a GitHub. Okay, yeah, like a management center is there. In management center there will be a 5 menus are there. Those are 5 to 6 menus are there. Access management, API manager, runtime manager, visualizer, monitoring and secrets manager. These all things means like we will use, means like in our sessions I will use these. I will tell these all in the last while doing the deployment. I will do these means like I will explaining these all things. Okay, this will be done by your admin team, means like in the organization there will be a admin team. No, there will manage your APIs. Okay, yeah, I have told in the this slides, right? Here there will be a like a management and troubleshoot. They will monitor their management. In design you will guys to need means like just your guys are just designing your APIs and simulation done and feedback taking. And then after that Anypoint studio you will use for a implementation of your API. Okay, yeah, we will go ahead and start our first design API in design center. Okay, it's loading design center. Okay, yeah, coming to this panel you guys will get these all things, means like you will get some projects and filter. Actually I have created this thing for you guys only, means like I haven't created anything now, just we can create it together. Okay, yeah, I will click on create new. If you click on create new, there will be a 5 options. Okay, whatever it is there, like if you are creating a one API specification. Okay, what you need, you need a API specification. You guys will create here. Okay, you need, while creating an API specification you need a 5 methods. You need to follow one rule. That rule is here. Okay, first you need to means like you need to define a resource path. Resource path is like whatever you guys are searching, means like refining that thing. Here a base path, and it's a combination of base path and a sub path. Okay, here just we can do with a resource path. And then after that there will be a HTTP methods. HTTP methods you guys know, I have explained in the previous session. HTTP methods are get, post, patch and put, delete, these all methods. And coming to this request contain some their body and those all things. And response also contain a success response and a failure response. After that according to the responses there will be an HTTP status codes. If you guys are not understand this thing, you guys need to go and watch that video, like a previous video. You guys have to watch this thing. After watching of that thing, you will guys understand what is resource path, what are the HTTP methods, these all things. Okay, yeah. Now we can create, means like on that day, like in the previous class, in previous session only, I have explained with one example with for a red bus. Okay, here red bus is there. Okay, what is the resource path? This is the resource path. Okay, whatever you guys are entering API creating, that will be your resource path. Then after that, coming to domain name and the get method. Here if you are using the query parameter, that will be a get method only. Okay, if you are using URI parameter, you are adding some body data on the time, those are high level things. You guys will learn those things after that thing. Okay, after the once you completed the development, after that you will guys get to know those all things. Just now we can create a design with our API. Okay, yeah. Coming to this thing, I will choose this thing only, like this part only for our example. Okay, coming to here, yeah, there will be a resource path, I have told you, right? First I will put here, means like I will try to edit here. I don't know I can do that thing. It will not possible, I think so. Okay, no, yeah, okay, yeah, it's good. Okay, but this https and wws www.redbus.in, I am not the owner of this domain name, just I am giving an example here. Okay, this bus tickets to Bangalore Hyderabad is there, no? That will be your resource path. Okay, what are the HTTP method? I have told you, right? There will be a HTTP methods, what are the HTTP method? HTTP methods are get, post, get, post, put, delete. Okay, yeah, just to close that thing. What will be the request contain? Request contain the query parameters. Okay, it contain a query. Actually the query parameter, whatever the query parameters are there, I will write, means like we will write after the this in base path we are writing those things, but in the request, means like while creating, while designing a API, we will give the query parameters in the request, and in the response whatever you will get the body of the response. It will be a JSON or a XML body. And come to HTTP status codes, there will be a, if it is a success response, I have told you guys in the session 2. Okay, it's a 200, and if it is a something is happened in client error, means like he is requesting apart from like Bangalore to New Delhi, the buses is not available on that time, 400 not found. Okay, if the server, means like Redbus server is missing, means like something is happened to Redbus server on that time, internal server error, those all things. This just I am trying to explain with a real time example. Okay, means like I am not creating with a redbus.in, and I am not doing the testing with a Redbus. Okay, just I am giving the example. Okay, after that this URL will be changed. Okay, yeah. Coming to this, yeah, we will go ahead and we will design. Okay, first API specification and new fragment. New fragment, what is new fragment? Means like if anything is there, means like any multiple APIs are there, like if it is authentication, these all are the like whatever we guys are using to new fragment, means there will be a, means like there will be multiple APIs are there. If you want to reuse those APIs, on that time you will use a new fragment. Okay, Mule app I never used in my career, because it will be a whole mule of in your organization. Okay, and coming to new async API, actually this is a new feature. Async API means like there will be a synchronous and asynchronous API. Those all things will come in the development part. I will explain that one also. And import from file. Import from file means like already anyone created the design, just you know to, means like changes something that will in the file format, means like they will push in the GitHub. On the time just you want to download those things, on the time you will use this import file. Just these, means like let it deal all four things we can create with a new API specification. Okay, coming to here, I am giving the API ticket. Okay, API title, sorry, API title will be a bus tickets. Okay, yeah, I am. How do you go with the draft of API specification? Actually in API specification there will be some part I am using for a RESTful APIs. I am using a RAML 1.0, and coming to here, there will be a JSON and YAML files. YAML and JSON are the, they will also, we can create our REST APIs. YAML means yet another API, JSON means we will use this one for JSON format. And coming to these all OAS, what is OAS? OAS means Open API Specification. These all things will come in the Swaggers, but I am using only RAML 1.0. I designed the APIs here in the this thing only. That's why means like just you guys need to learn this thing only. After the OAS, these all things will come in the Swagger. There will be trainings are there in the YouTube. You guys can search those all things. But for a designing part, you will means like you guys are comfortable with the RAML 1.0. Just to select this thing and create an API specification. Okay, once the creation of an API, we will come up with this page. Okay, in this page you will contain here as your file, whatever the files are there, root file and exchange.json. These all things will create here, means like this will be a file folder. I will make it a small because I need this canvas as a like I want to writing my design code here. That's why I need this one big one. And here you guys, this is a canvas. I will means like whatever the design is there, I am writing here, I am designing here. Okay, and coming to here, hash raml 1.0. okay, this is the version of we selected in this, and title bus tickets we have given. Okay, after that, okay, it will here there will be some libraries there. Okay, this will be a design library. You will after the title I wanted to add a description of this API. Okay, that library will throw the means like it will give some suggestions. I can click here also and I can click here also. Once the description came, just I will write like this API is for searching buses. This API is for searching buses. Okay, bus to, okay, bus, that's it. Okay, actually API documentation. Okay, here once I create the API, here you will means like you will get to understand like whatever the method is there, according to that I will method, and after that the publish is there. Once I created completed the design, I will go to publish and publish with the exchange. Okay, this will be done by after the meeting, means like once the design review done with your managers, after the code is okay, they will say means like they will told you guys to push this to exchange. Okay, on that time you guys need to do this step. Okay, before that just you need to take reviews, but in here in your company, just you guys are the like rockers here, like you guys are the developers, and you guys the admin, you guys are the designers here. You can you can publish to exchange once your API specification is done. Okay, I have told you guys, means like we need to follow some rules here. Okay, what are the rules are there here? First I need a resource path. Okay, I am start to design API. I need a resource path. Whatever is there, I will use the resource path as a search buses. It will be anything. Okay, now I am searching the buses, right? That's why I am giving the search bus. Okay, this will be my resource path. Okay, yeah, and then after that I am fetching the information. Okay, for that I am using the, for searching I will use the get method. Okay, get method, here it came. For a get method I need a some parameters like if you are now from to is there. Okay, from means like I am going from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Okay, for that you need a query parameters. That's why here there will be some suggestions are there, but here what I need a query parameters. Okay, I am clicking on query parameters. Okay, query parameters, here you need to give a parameter name. Okay, for here I am giving the name as a from city. Okay, yeah, this is my first parameter name. Here I will give some fields. Okay, whatever what it is, the fields, it has some type. Okay, that type should be a string. Okay, there will be some suggestions are there. Okay, what is type? I need a string. Then after that is it required or not required. I require this thing, that's why I am giving a boolean value as a true. Okay, coming to below, type required. Okay, here I will giving a just an example, means like how the example city example is there, just I am giving that example here. Okay, I will give here only, let, yeah, give as a Bangalore, and from city to city, means like whatever I am going to one place to another place, I need another city to city towards where I am going, just that's also a type of a string. Okay, you guys will understand these things, means like once you create it, once you do the practicals on the time, you guys will understand these all things, because now I am working, you guys are just seeing, that will be a not case. Okay, just you guys need to work on those things. Why it's throwing error? Yes is capital, that's why it's throwing error. Is it required? Actually there will be some suggestion, yes, required, true, and true. And coming to below, here also I will give an example. HYD Hyderabad. Okay, yeah, just an example. Okay, no worry in that. Okay, here the request part is completed now, means like method is completed, request part is completed. According to this, there will be some responses are there. What are those responses? Here, see here, we will get some responses coming as a, what happened here, sorry. Okay, yeah, some convention. Okay, yeah, responses come with a like it's come with some body, and it will first, before coming to the body, it has to be some http status code. Okay, the http status code for a success response is 200. Okay, yeah, I am giving that thing, and 200 what is to be, it has container some body, like it has a success response, right? It will be in the other format. Now I am giving with a application slash json. Okay, here application slash json, I am giving the example. Okay, this is not a dynamic API, just I am creating a design, whatever the design is there, just I am creating that design. Okay, application json contain a key and value pairs. Okay, in the key and value pairs there will be some message. What is that message? That message will be, yes, buses are available. Okay, whatever the you search in the buses are available. Okay, this is a success response. According to this, there will be a failure response. For that failure response, I have told you some http status codes. What is that? For if buses are not found, means like if he is asking for a Bangalore to Hyderabad, there will be no buses on that time, there will be a 404 not found, but I am using a 400. Okay, that will be also a client error. Okay, now here also it contains some body. Okay, what is that body? That body contain a application json. Okay, and here also I will give us some example. Okay, just this is a not a dynamic API, right? Just I wanted to give some dummy response. Now I am giving a dummy response here. Okay, here buses are now available, here I said no, search, no, try with, try again, try with other cities. Okay, yeah, I will say try with other cities. Okay, yeah, it's coming as a 400 now, and then after that I will go with a 500 response. This is an internal server error on the time body contain there will also some error is there. Just I will copy paste here. That will be useful for us because it will save our time. Okay, according to the this template, like this template, you have designed an API. Okay, now you guys are designed an API. Okay, if you design this API, how you need to means like you need to test something, means like in design phase only we will do the EIT, like early integration test. That one I am doing now. Okay, if I click on this API endpoints, if I click on get method, okay, there will be a something. Okay, this is an URL. Okay, Anypoint platform, and this is an URL. Okay, coding example. So what is there, like a curl code will create here. Okay, how the I have said you guys, means like I have told you guys, like once I do these all things, search process is my resource path, and after that there will be a query parameter like from city to Bangalore to city to Hyderabad. Okay, whatever parameters I have given, there will be here. Okay, query parameters also, this will be a curl format, and this will be an just to say the how the things are there. Okay, now the things literally come up with a string. Okay, example is Bangalore. Okay, just I am means like for our understanding, for your understanding, I am giving it the Bangalore and Hyderabad, and after that there will be a response body also there. What will be the response body? Okay, yes, buses, if it is a internal server, on that time also some body is there, no try with other cities. Okay, like that, and then after that there will be a 500. Okay, 500 with a no try with other cities. Okay, I will modify this. Sorry, it has an internal error, I will add. Okay, internal error. Okay, once I click on this thing, okay, is it change or not? Yeah, it got changed. Okay, sorry, it's an internal error. Okay, you guys are created with the API. Okay, just you guys need to try this one. Okay, whatever you created, that will be it is corrected or not. Like you guys can use anywhere, like in HTTP method also, in JavaScript also there will be some fetches there, and Python also. If you want to use this thing, means like now you guys are designing API here, right? Like that you guys can use this designing API in Python also, C, Java. That's why guys, that's why the MuleSoft is very useful tool, means like everything you can use here only. Okay, now we can test our API. I will put on the try. Okay, now I have given as a Bangalore, but I will not give as a Bangalore here, I will give a Hyderabad. Okay, here I will give a Bangalore. Okay, now I have given the query parameters as a our Hyderabad and to city Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore actually just okay, yeah, there will be my mistake. Okay, now I am sending the request to server. Okay, whether my buses are not like available or not, please say me. Okay, there will be some response came. Wow, nice, yes, buses are available. This will be your success response, guys. Now you guys are created, and you guys are designed an API, and you guys are created the API. Okay, these code I will paste in the chat. Okay, just you guys are try with this thing, and tomorrow how much it is. Okay, we will use with it's a 37 lines, right? We can reduce this code to some lines. Okay, after the means like we will put these parameters into the some other files, and this examples in one file, and we will reduce this code as much as possible. Okay, yeah, thank you, bye.